Hello everyone, welcome in this video. In this video we are going to discuss about some essential books which are required for you to crack the NTSE exam and also other competitive exams which are going to appear in the class 10. So first of all, let us talk about NTSE. As we know, NTSE stands for National Talent Search Examination. It is a very prestigious examination because if you qualify the exam, then the Indian government from class 10 only declares you as the national talent, which is a great honor for you. The scholarship which it provides is much lesser than the honor which it will provide after you become NTSE scholar. So let's begin. So for NTSE, the book you must follow is first means you must give most preference is the McGraw-Hill Education. That NTSE book published by McGraw-Hill. It's very good book, and as you can see, this book is even thicker than Adishama, and you require a lot of labor to complete this. I'm again telling you that NTSE examination is not about your IQ. If you are thorough with the math section properly, then you can crack this examination easily. SAT section, for the SAT section you can firstly follow the NCERT books, because in the level 1 only the most of the cases I have seen that the questions are from the NCERT books. So first you must complete your NCERT book, then after that I'm prescribing you these books. You then practice. The mental ability you must practice minimum 3 hours a day, so that you can also gain the accuracy and the speed which is needed to crack the exam. Okay. Now talking about McGraw-Hill Education, this book is very helpful for you in order to crack NTSE. The questions in this book are really very good, and the theory part is also very good. So you must follow this book in order to become NTSE scholar. In most of the NTSE toppers and the scholars, I observed that they have followed this book, and actually this book is really very helpful. For the math section and the SAT section, it is really very helpful. And the third edition I would prescribe you, because the first and the second edition are good of McGraw-Hill Education, but the third edition is much cheaper from those editions, and also its content is really very good. So you must follow this one. Then after that, if you want to follow the basics, means after completing your NCERT, if you want to revise those books, then it will be quite lengthy and it will be time taking. So better you can follow the Arihant book. I can see here, you can see here that the book I am showing you, a complete study package NTSE Math plus SAT. This book is very good, but the questions are not so good. Its theory part is really very good, especially the social science part is really very good. If you follow this book completely, then you can become an NTSE scholar. And the most important thing, you can take up any study material from any coaching institute. I have the AMO classes study material. You can also take the FIRSI, then Resonance, Allen, those study materials, and you can follow it and practice them properly. So these are the study packages. So if you want to particularly concentrate in one subject, so let's start about that. For math section, I can prescribe you that R.S. Agrawal Mental Ability book. That book is really very good. You can practice from that book and can easily qualify all the examinations which are going to come. So now let's talk about science. For science, you can follow the MTG books. These books are also very good, but these books are written in complex languages, so you may face little difficulty to understand it. But believe me, this book is really very helpful. For biology, chemistry, these books are very good. And for physics also, you can follow the MTG book foundation course, and also the super simplified published by Dinesh Publications. That book is really very good also. And for physics, you can follow the Pearson guide, the Trishnas, the IIT Foundation series.